Hey, it's your boy Southern Smokeboss at it again. Got some nice meaty baby back ribs. We go see I switched up the scenario today. Got my special dry rub. Got the Oakland Joe already rolling. The fire is rolling. Let the smoke just roll, baby. Backyard boogie tonight. Got my nice yellow mustard. Gonna go ahead and mustard it down. Just cover it on the, don't be scared. Just go help it season the dry rub, stick nice and good. Hey, and it's this dry rub I made at home. Hey, the video is in the link. I already washed them all. The day is about 40 degrees outside, so it's not too cold. So let's see how much wood we're gonna burn up today. Give me some rub, baby. Just throw it all around. That's what I'm talking about. Look at that. Look at that go. Nice oak. We gonna use some nice pecan wood. And got a couple coals on there, you know, to get the fire started. Hit me with some mustard. See, I got vested in some gloves. I like to get down dirty. Me with the meat. Like you're making love to it. Hit me with some rub, baby. Hit me with that rub. I'm gonna rub on you all night. All night. They hit me with a little more rub up there. On that top of here. Yep. There with my meat. There where my smoking come in right here. The Joe. I'm outside so I can get down and dirty. I can grab the hose, spray it off, post some bleach on, be ready to go. So since my Oakley, let me pull these gloves off. I'm gonna go ahead and throw my meat on the Joe. Pull this one off. Lift my grill up. Look at that Joe go. Gonna go ahead and face him. Meat down. We gonna have some good eating today. Had to end up getting me a real rack. Yes, sir. I'm gonna spritz them with some apple juice today so they don't dry out. Let's let the smoke roll, baby. Roll.